Well, here I go again. It's day who knows what number, I don't know, 7, 8 that I've been working out here in the yard. I've got all this stuff dug up. I got this stuff dug up. I got that stuff dug up. I've done all kinds of stuff out here. You just kind of watch my videos to find out what all I've done so far. And on the drip irrigation, I found out that all of this is working properly, but this is running really super low, plus that other side is running really super low, and it's all on one drip irrigation valve. And it's like, what is going on? I made the determination the other day that the main drip irrigation line coming from the valve over there comes here, comes across, and it comes through here. And there was a big stump there. I removed that yesterday, and I thought the pipe was going to come in here and go across over to there, because like I said, that's part of this front yard valve system for the drip irrigation. Well, I dug all that up, and the main pipe that comes in here terminates right here. Had nothing to do with this area, but that told me that the pipe did not go over there, and somehow the pipe is over there, okay? And that pipe going over there is this pipe right here, because it's low pressure here, it's low pressure over there, okay? So I know the only way the water is getting over there from the valve, I hope I'm not getting you dizzy, from the valve over here, is somehow the pipe is going over to that area, is then going over to this area, is then going over to that area. That's low, this low, this is low pressure. This is high pressure, that little section is high pressure, the foyer's high pressure, and the other day I checked over here and some of these were high pressure. So like right in here was high pressure, this was high pressure, that's high pressure. I did not check the rest of those because I made the assumption that the water going over to that section was probably somehow coming from over there, because that was low pressure, that was low pressure, because I thought for sure that the main water pipe was going from this area over to that plant and then underneath the driveway. Well, that's not the case, okay? So what does that tell me? And what does that tell you? Have you figured this out yet? Well, there's got to be an issue over here. The main pipe's got to be pressed down somewhere in this area before it gets over to here, because this is low pressure, that's low pressure. The only way the water is getting there from this valve has to be somewhere between there and over to here. Do you see what I mean? Because that is part of the drip irrigation valve system for the front yard, and there's only one valve system for the front yard for the drip. There's only drip for the front and drip, and a different valve for the drip in the back of the yard, okay? So I'm gonna be digging over here. I've got, what I have to do is from this section over, I've got to dig up and find the little water valves, the little drip bubblers like these, which are off of there, like this one. This one here is easy to find because it's not covered up, see? Well, lots of these are covered up and they're dug down and they're down below the ground, down below the rocks. And so I've got to dig up around there, over here, that bush. And see, this stuff here is part of this our property too. And here's the main. Here's a main pipe right here. You see that? And isn't that something? This one here feels like it's caved in a little bit. You see that right like that? That's supposed to be out, and the reason why it's like that is because it's out in the sun. See this pipe? See how full and nicely rounded it is? That's the same pipe that's over here. Well, this is not the culprit, mind you, but before I get done, I'll have to dig that down. It's always nice to have all those things underneath the ground. It's summer now, and you want those pipes down there. If I step on that, I can virtually almost squeeze that together. That's pushing the water pressure off, but I know that's not really the issue here, because the other day I turned the water on and this was coming out pretty good. I cut the end of one of these bubblers off and the water was just pouring out of here. Okay, same thing over there. That's why I'm gonna pull these up, and I'm hoping that I'm gonna find that this pipe, okay, this pipe is probably going across over there, over to that, and all of that is really super low. The water pressure is hardly anything, and this has to zip around in here, and I'm hoping to find that this main pipe somewhere in this area is smashed down. See this big old tree? Look at this big tree! I'm thinking maybe there's a root that's coming over here from that, that's coming down on top of this main, that's pushing it down and preventing the water pressure from being very high over here. Okay, could be there, could be here, could be there, could be that. It could be that big old bush right there. It could be a root system on that that's smashed down. So somewhere, I'm thinking it's got to be over here. Doesn't that make sense? It's got to be. All of this is low, and I dug around this one the other day. Oh, look at that! Look at that little lizard right there. See him? Right there. Nope. I dug around that, and I can see where that pipe is kind of coming along here, and that is really super low pressure. Now, I did not dig around this one yet. Okay, I was making the determination that if that's low and the other one on the other side of this bush is low, that's probably low, and the issue's probably got to be over there. So that's where I'm going to start today, and I'm just going to keep working at it. And lucky for me, a little bit in the shade. It's supposed to be hot out here today. Wifey was all worked up the other day that I was out here for almost 8 hours digging in the hot sun. Well, you know, I was digging over here in the shade, I was digging over there in the shade, I was digging over there in the shade, and I was hydrating. We got a sink, utility sink in the garage, and I would get a drink there every half hour or so. Okay, so I'm fine. I'll be fine. Okay, so I'm going to start digging over there, and I'm hoping to find the issue. Whatever I find, I'll show you. Well, that's all I got for this time. Where am I? That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. Every time you watch some of my videos, I hope that you're going to learn how to save money around the house.